Okay, I'm recording. I wasn't expecting that. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jennie here. So today is Quick Tip Monday, and I've got a quick tip for you. So for those of you who spent multiple amounts of money on brow products, especially the brow powders, my quick tip is this. You can actually use your regular brown eyeshadow as your brow powder. My favorite is Espresso from MAC. That's an eyeshadow, but I also use it as a brow powder. And you get to save money. And there you have it. That is my quick tip for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an I-E. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.